Welcome, Pudokas. Today's episode is on 3 levels of posture for Budo. Prolonged sitting like this creates a really unchangeable bad habits. Admittedly, even today I am guilty of this. Let's fix it with these 3 levels to remember. Let's start with number 1, the hips and the core. Set number 2, the shoulders and the chest. Number 3, your head and the neck. We naturally relax our bums and core into a sitting on chair position. What we want is to tighten our bums and push our hips and core forward. Find your pelvis, imagine slightly above the tailbone and push forward. Imagine thrusting your hips forward and slightly tighten both of your thighs. This essential forward core are commonly found in most, if not all, martial arts. Beginners, be aware you will feel very sore on your hips for a while. Like any self-help books, we show confidence with our chest and posture. Imagine a claw and pulls your spirit outwards, opening up your chest. Gently pull your shoulders back to straighten from shoulder slouch. Your back shoulder or deltoids should feel a contraction, but a relaxed manner. Lastly, we push our neck back to align with our spine. This is the biggest culprit for really a bad neck posture. So remember, number 1, the hips and the core. Number 2, shoulders and your chest. Number 3, push your neck back. It is essentially the same when sitting in seiza. Let's talk about postures during transitions, going up and down. Imagine a puppet master holding a string from above and it's attached to your center. Holding the string, he gently puts you down, allowing gravity to gently go down, maintaining your posture. As it pulls you up, you are gently pulled up by the string. So when sitting down in seiza, you do not want to be just going down like that. You would want to always remember to show your zanshin. Maintain good posture and show you are aware of your opponent. Slowly sitting down. When moving forward, imagine another string pulling you forward. String goes up again. String gently puts you down. In kata, particularly for sete, it is important to show structural and squared posture, so do not lean left and right, swinging your shoulders and curve your spine. What you want to do is to be squared. A good beginner's guideline is to draw straight lines with your hands. As you come down, allow gravity to pull you down whilst maintaining structure. With these lines, you can see what we are doing wrong. What about wearing a hakama when you say? It's the same. You gently go down. You use your fingers to push away the hakama, whilst maintaining the structural line. So let's do a recap. Search for that center line and push forward, tightening your thighs. Tighten your bum and thrust forward. Chest forward and pull your shoulder back. Straighten your neck, push your head backwards, and you have your strong posture. One way to practice is to use your bokken to straighten your back. Another way is to use a wall as a straight line as a guide. As you go down, you can feel that your bum is not pushing the walls. So this is how it looks when standing straight. With proper postures, we create a strong foundation on our kata. So let's do another recap. Bad standing posture. Push your hips, push your shoulders, and up. And this is the proper standing posture. Sitting down is the same. Do not hunch. The good. And the not so good. if you face other posturing issues due to your lifestyle and career. Please don't hesitate to share your experience in the comment section. If you like this type of content, please like, subscribe, and push the bell a ding. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.